big waterproof bag. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. We are at KTM Husqvarna Benelux, and in today's video it's time to do some more unboxing. KTM wouldn't let me ride the forklift anymore because last week, yeah, a little bit of issues right there. We got a new box. And we got these. No more forklifts for Smokey. And of course we are yet again accompanied by
Mario!
Archer!
Hey,
Yay!
hello.
Human.
Thanks.
Look at that. Don't touch, please. Smokey. Unboxing. Unboxing. Ooh. Smells like schnitzels. Ah, ooh, ooh. Oh, already cut myself. Look at that. I punctured a hole in the side. No, no, not yet, not yet. Nice. Now from all the bigger adventure motorcycles I've been riding the last year, I actually like the Norden one the most. Get some paperwork. Oh, we got a lot of boxes. We got 1, 2, 3 boxes. I like presents. I like boxes. Yeah. Don't want to start a beef with Arthur. Lightweight. Yeah, some of the Norden owners are probably thinking like, hey, what the hell is that? 4 indicators, warning lights. It has it now. Oh. Ah. And also for 2024, they put a USB-C on it.
Why? 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 Why?
Oh, wait. Bubble wrap. This is bad bubble wrap. Does anybody have an idea what this is? They put it in again. Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not coming.
Oh, wait.
3. They actually put this on first and then probably fitted that part because strange. Look at that. So you all know the LC8. That is the big 1290 V-twin. And this is the LC8C, which means the parallel twin. 899 cc's engine, LC8C. 105 horsepower, 100 newton meters of torque. So yeah, the seat height is 875 to 890, but 75 is with the lowered seat. But like I said, you can also get the lowered suspension, but I'm not really sure how high it becomes then. You guys by now probably know that I am 1 meter 76 centimeters, so I'll just hop on. Yep. Choo. See that? I'm tippy-toeing. Tippy-toes. So now I put Arthur on it, and Arthur is 1 meter and 82 centimeters. Look at that, he has, of course, a little bit more feet as I do. But of course, there's also the inseam size that a lot of people ask me. It's like you have to measure from the ground up to your ball sack, and I'm sure as hell not gonna measure Arthur's inseam. That is a fact. Very nice. And also these have a funny way to open up. Just like a funny little latch. See that? There we go. And you actually twist this up. So it's actually like a big waterproof bag. Twist it up like that again. Over here, over there, and one more down here. Ooh, hand guards. Ooh. That is new. This hole, there's like a giant hole in there. It makes sure you get a little less pressure on the back of your neck when riding. Almost time to do a cold start. First start out of the box, yeah. Yeah, the right side is already open. And this one I can cut. Look at that, quick shifter. Ooh, there's more boxes inside. Oh, Christmas does come early. Oh, the skid plate, the skid plate. I hit this thing with a hammer, with a baseball bat. This thing is like legit. Oh. That is some Austrian steel. Does this steel come from Austria, Arthur? Austrian steel. This thing is like legit. Oh, great. Oh, great, Arthur. Oh, Lord. Arthur, Arthur, I am Bubble Boy. I was Bubble Boy on the exact same moment that the big boss just walked in.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good tip, if you ever lose your key, it's probably in there. Somebody needs to record and somebody needs to do the work.
Oops. And this one.
And then, of course, we have this bag with tools, which we never need because it's a Husky. Now, a quick tip from the mechanic Melvin. If you're mounting the power parts bottom plate and you're putting these ones on, don't put them on like that because you don't have a lot of room and the bottom plate will scrape against the fuel tank. Turn them like that and put them in like this. You got more space. I just figured out we have a little bit more parts as I thought. Oh, yeah. Boy. Ooh, look at that. Professional stay. Smokey, very professional. Best job in the world. Ooh, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the funniest of them all? Not me, somebody said. This is like the new modern version of the mirrors. So we have one in the center to watch yourself riding, and we have actually one on the left for watching the driving behind. Poke it into the hole.
That's what she said!
Yep. Oh, Austrian steel. This is like the bottom plates of all bottom plates. Look at that. Look at those welds. Look at those welds. We have to test that out. This is going to be a new press fleet bike, so if anything happens with this bike in the press, and people are like saying the screen comes undone or the bottom plates falls off, I'm responsible. Oh, hey Arthur, you're here as well. Nice. So we put the rubbers in here, and that one as well. This bike is worth a lot more. Now I put it together. Yeah. Ooh-wee. This thing is freaking huge. Look at that. Ooh. Ah! Like that.
There is color in the... On va démonter la bolte à l'arrière. Ok. Et par contre, tu sais où elle va, cette grande vis-là?
I have no idea what they're saying. It's like French. I don't speak French. I have no idea. Je voudrais un pain avec la fromage et un croissant de chocolat.
Ah ouais? Je suis occupé pour...
Now, don't be scared that this bike that I put it together, I was a mechanic, so no worries about that. But Jerome, in the back over there, is also doing a PDI, that is a pre-delivery inspection, something like that. And he's gonna make sure that I tighten everything up. Smart idea. Perfect. Always working hard at KTM. Husqvarna. Ooh, you hear that? Come on, we're going simple. Now we have Tom de Mits. He's actually a world adventure traveler. Tom de Mits on the bike, and he is 1 meter and 90 centimeters. And look at that. So if you're 1 meter and 76 like me, you're tippy toes. If you're 1 meter and 82 like Arthur, it's like a little bit better. And if you're 1 meter and 90 like Tom de Mits, look at that. Almost flat feet. He has flat feet. So Tom de Mits from Moto Morgana is actually a world traveler, and his bike is next door, and he's fixing it because he just came back from Australia. Let's check it out for a quick second. So yeah, this is his bike at the moment because he just came back from Australia, right?
Yes.
And how many kilometers and where did you go?
Well, we've been traveling for 3.5 years now, the 85 countries. On this bike we put like 61,000 kilometers, and I guess it's time for a little bit of work on it. So we changed the bearings and did all kind of maintenance, and if all goes well we should be good to go in a couple of days for the next stretch of our big trip.
Where are we going this time on a trip?
We're going to ship to Dubai, we're going to do Oman, Saudi, and then probably Egypt, Iraq, and it can go two ways. It can go either to Mongolia, direction of Mongolia and the Stands, or down to South Africa along the east coast of Africa.
That is nice. And where can we follow you? Where can the people follow you?
They can follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Our account name is Moto Morgana.
Moto Morgana.
Yeah,
I'll leave a
check it
link
out.
in the description as well. World travelers.
Yeah.
Been gone for 3.5 years. Anyway, thank you so much, Tom.
Bye bye.
Back to the Husky.
Cheers.
Arthur is going shopping with the boxes. I'm pretty sure because my buddy Bob has the Norden as well. Everybody loves my buddy Bob. And there. Oh, clack, clack. Ooh, look at that. It's nice. Ooh.
Nice.
Like this, like that, and done. Neato. So look at that. For me personally, this is one of the best looking adventure motorcycles out there. I actually like it more as the KTM 890 Adventure. This part is done. First start ever. You have to put it to the computer first and hook up the battery. Take this part off like that. And then we need something to put it in there. But where the hell is it? Is it over there? No. Is it oh, look at that. Oh, it's that time of the year again. Here we go. Clark? Just kidding. Ah! Okay, we get that part in. Team Smokey. Okay, nice. Seats on. Just like that. Come here. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. First time, ignition on. Ooh yeah, you have to set the clock. It's already midnight. So yes, that sad story. It is on a transport lock once again, so it needs to go on the computer. Look at that. Doesn't this bike look like very nice? Am I the only one that thinks this thing looks like very good? I don't know, but it also has that little bit of a retro look, like the Royal Enfield Himalayan one, the old one then, with the button over there. Nice. Everything was fine on the computer. First start, cold start, out of the box. And just like that, we have put it away next to his big brother. Look at that. That is a cool sight, right? Nice. Now that is that for today's video yet again. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and thanks again KTM Husqvarna for having me over today. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. And what do you think of it? Let me know in the comments. See ya! If you want to know all about YouTube, just go to smokeytube.com, and if you want to see the next video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it's right over there, and subscribing is like done over there somewhere, I don't know. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and again, I'll just click on that one and that one.